now we are with Mohammad Zakaria. He's the store manager of Putanahalli Big Bazaar. So I have a couple of questions basically. Sir, quick question. So it is like you being the store manager of this Big Bazaar Express. What are your basic fundamental roles and responsibilities?
See, to start with, first of all, as in our group, we say not the store manager we use, the word called Karta, which is in whole and soul of the family. So the fundamental responsibility will be driving sales, achieving targets, plus keep up the store health in a healthier manner.
Right. Right. And so the iteration rate also is under
Yes, it is also part of the people who are directly reporting to me.
Right. So how many years you have been in retail segment?
In the retail, 12 plus.
Okay, then the first year of your retail career and now, I mean, in this span of 12 years, how did you see retail growing or transforming rather, I would say?
See, the earlier when we had joined the retail industry, to be frank, we used to curse ourselves. What industry we have adopted. But if I turn back to those years and see now what I am now, I am very proud of it. And in the society, I am very much proud of myself.
And in terms of business perspective, how did the retail transform? Or is there any change or development or growth kind of thing in your first year? I mean, say 12 years back and now. I mean, how do you see the business transformation?
There has been huge, massive. See, earlier when the customer segment was not that much educated,
Awareness.
the awareness was not there of the organized retail. Basically, they used to prefer the kirana or the neighborhood stores. But now people look for the destination stores and everything is under one roof.
One-stop solution kind of.
Yes.
Yeah. And when it comes to the revenue generation part, and or else like imagine now FDI we're talking about, which is doing the rounds. And then imagine the unorganized sector is being affected. What is your stand on that? If FDI in place, you think really unorganized sector will be affected?
No, not exactly. See, it will be vice versa. I mean, part of the local business will be affected for sure. But as far as the scope is concerned, there is a huge scope for the organized retail in India. As of now, it's only 17%. Now the potential is for another 83%, which will open up the vacancies also.
So eventually we can expect a huge growth in Indian economy also.
Yes.